Hello! 23rd December 2022. As you can see, in a beautiful rainy sad day, we start driving down to Germany first and tomorrow to Italy to our ski vacation.
Yes.
As usual, we go to San Vigilio because Chiara wants to go only to San Vigilio. See you along the road. Well, the Dutch weather is what it is, and luckily we are living in town. We are in Germany, but yeah, the weather didn't really move. Same sky, same water coming down the sky. There we go, first stop in Germany. Need a bit of fuel. Now we go to the toilet, grab a bite. A lot of Dutch going on holiday as well. Quite unusual. Last year, yeah, actually there is this difference because last year there was plenty of COVID rules in Germany. Now it's all open, seems like, so that's why it's so busy. Because there is no COVID restriction anymore. Quite a difference compared to 1 year ago where there was nobody around. This year is plenty of people. We are in line, as you can see, and also the restaurant is open. Germany now is quite some rain for quite some kilometers. Now we have a lot of water coming down the sky. Keep pouring down all the way, hundreds of kilometers of rain. Arrivati alla sosta intermedia, dark, still raining. This is our location. This is the second year we stop here. The food is fantastic, very medieval town, pretty cool and relaxing evening. Number 5.
I don't know if it's the same one that we had last time.
I love this place so much. With all this Christmassy and the
Chiara. Qualche potje? Zal ik dat voor doen? Huh? 2 potje.
Bellissimo questa stanza,
Wil je dat?
veramente bellissimo. So
Today better day than yesterday, at least weather-wise. So we start driving to San Vigilio after a nice night stop in Winterhouse. Sun is coming halfway. Driving for today. We are in Germany still, but the sun is out.
vuoi mangiare qualcosa? Io e mamma non abbiamo fame. Io e mamma non abbiamo.
In Germany, but we're getting close to the mountains. Temperature is dropping, and we start seeing the mountains with the snow on top. We are coming.
Stop for lunch, quick lunch in Austria. Yeah, definitely we are in the same place of last year, but now there is everything is open. And we took the last balls of Mozart because the company went broke, but now there is this one from this brand that make waffle. They make Mozart waffle, so we take this one to taste. Yeah, right?
Right.
Good. Let's go.
Ski and then
Yeah.
we go shopping after.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eccoci arrivati a San Vigilio. Ale, si parte, andiamo a prendere gli sci.
Cici. Pizza with my daughter while waiting mother. Tirolese for me and salami for Chiara. Wow. A me non piace salami. Cici.
We share, right?
Yeah. I miei cannedoli col goulash. Pronti per mangiare. E siamo partiti da San Vigilio. We leave the mountains, we go down to the sea to celebrate New Year's Eve tonight. Hopefully there will not gonna be traffic. And then we will see how the weather is in Trieste. Not promising, to be honest, but doesn't matter. Beautiful low clouds on our way to Cortina. Beautiful valley in front of us. Wow. I will see all the party people for New Year's Eve. Yes, here we go. Last day of 2022. We are getting ready for 2023. Beautiful sun on top of the mountains with the snow. What a So we just left Cortina, where people are queuing up to celebrate New Year's Eve, and we are now descending into Cadore and then soon to Trieste to celebrate our New Year's Eve in the family. But the mountains here are absolutely fantastic. I love the location. Our classic stop, Hotel Quattro Valli. Years and years we wonder how this place survives, but it's always standing. And we stop here for always a quick lunch before hitting the highway. And tomorrow we leave and the season holiday is over.